Just a quick video updating on the bark beetles.
Almost nothing, very little.
Was quite hot for the last few days, last week actually, and dry. We need rain. Luckily the spring was quite wet and quite cold. I think it's good condition, but some of the spruce is turning a little yellow. I think they might be a little stressed because it's a bit on the dry side right now. I haven't gotten nearly as far along with the forest machines as I would have liked. They need service and some repairs, but I'm mainly focused on the brush cutter and repairing the rototiller, some attachments for the tractor.
Almost nothing. Trouble! I've lost the lid between the traps. I don't think much of them have escaped, but I will need to backtrack and find the lid, I hope. Or go up and to the house and get a new container.
The video of me backtracking and getting the lid is quite shaky. I won't take you on that entire journey, but I found it. I do see quite a bit of spiders here in the traps. Good location to get some food. I try to leave the spiders
Number
if
5, I
if I
think.
can.
Not much in this one either. Very good.
Since it has been quite dry, I stopped to check on the latest plants that were planted to ensure a regrowth, and they don't look all that bad. They got plenty of rain right after they were put in the ground, but we did plant them low in the valley. A lot of them, especially the spruce, like down here instead of in the overturned soil. So I think they will last as long as or survive as long as we get some rain in the near future. And here another one of the traps was a little open.
Do something fancy with a little clip that swings down and secures it in the future. Maybe do some new mounts for these also.
Almost nothing in the trap, so that looks good.
There are 0 bark beetles in this one. And I think I might have my numbers messed up. This is number 9. There are a few down there together with the pine needles collected, but not much at all, so that's good.
And while checking the last trap here
Up next to the house.
that had almost nothing, I'm heading for vacation soon for a week,
Had
but
very little in it.
have a few things to finish up before I
I'm not
leave.
sure they received the...
Hope everyone has a great day. Stay safe, take care.